celebrate Christmas by giving presents. We celebrate by giving gifts to family and friends to let them know how much they're loved before the old year ends. Behind this Christmas custom lies a true and simple tale of how God gave His Son to us to show His love won't fail. God chose Mary and Joseph to carry out His plan, and our story will begin with a trip to Joseph's lands. They went from inn to inn to try and find a place to stay, but all the places were filled up with people who could pay. Poor Mary was so weary and not feeling very strong. She knew the time of Jesus' birth would come before too long. But finally, they found an inn whose owner said he had a place where they could spend the night. Oh, they were both so glad. The innkeeper led Mary and Joseph to his stable in the back. The animals watched Joseph while he started to unpack. Then Mary, on that holy night, gave birth to God's own Son. The tiny babe would be the Prince of Peace for everyone. At that same time, outside the stable, some shepherds tended sheep, while others watched. One played a flute and lulled his lamb to sleep. An angel came and said, I bring good tidings of great joy. Our Savior Christ, the Lord, is here, a newborn baby boy. Now 3 wise men, knowing of the birth, had traveled very far to guide them to the child they used, a brightly shining star. Inside the tiny stable, all these people gathered round to honor Jesus Christ the Lord. They knelt down on the ground. Then each presented Jesus with a priceless gift of love in humble thankfulness for the best gift from God above. Why we give gifts to celebrate Christmas. We show our love as God with Jesus showed His love for us.